Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the WhatsApp Unread messages widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen you want to touch and hold. Next, tap on widgets at the bottom. Then swipe up to go down and expand the WhatsApp section. In here, touch and hold on the WhatsApp widget and drag it to the home screen and let go. Now you can also readjust the size of the widget by dragging on the handle at the bottom or on the side here to make it smaller or larger. And that's it. Now you can touch and hold on the widget and then tap on the remove button if you do not like to use the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.